Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are comparing two of the biggest players in project management. Whether you're leading a software development team or running creative projects, we're going to break down the strengths and weaknesses of both platforms because they are built for different types of users and projects. But the big question is, which one should you choose? Is it gonna be Airtable or Jira? Let's begin. Now, Jira is a popular project management tool developed by Atlassian, which is widely used for tracking issues, bugs, and managing projects, especially in software development. It is designed to support agile methodologies like Scrum and Kanban, which is highly customizable for various workflows. All right. Now, signing up for an account there is a breeze. All you're gonna do is sign up using your Google, your Microsoft, your Slack, or even Apple. Once you've done that, you would be forwarded here on their interface wherein you can create a custom workflow. For example, I'm gonna putting in something like a Scrum. Okay, I can of course customize all of this. Put in some text color, put in an image, and from here, obviously, you can create another issue. All right. You can have specific labels if you have the parent task, the sprint, and of course, the story point estimate. Matter of fact, we have covered Jira in our Deep Labs channel so many times in the past that you might want to check out some of our tutorials there. And once you're happy with that, all I have to do is click on create. Now, Jira is widely known for its excellence for tracking issues, bugs, and tasks. As you can see from here, you can simply assign team members or create a team to set priorities, track progress, and add comments and attachments. This makes it a comprehensive tool for software development teams managing bugs and enhancement. Not only that, in terms of the integration, go to the apps section here. And if you click on the explore more apps, you would notice that it integrates seamlessly with other Atlassian tools like Confluence for documentation, Bitbucket for codes, Bamboo for CI and CD. It also integrates with hundreds of third-party apps via the Atlassian marketplace, right? So there's a lot of that you can work here. Jira also include powerful automation features that allow teams to automate repetitive tasks like moving issues between stages, notifying users, or updating statuses based on specific triggers. Now, on the other hand, Airtable is a cloud-based collaboration platform that combines the functionality of a spreadsheet with a database. It allows users to create and manage databases with an easy-to-use, visually appealing interface. And of course, signing up for a free account here is a breeze. All I have to do is click on this button and just follow the on-screen instructions, and you are going to be welcomed by a clean and intuitive interface. You can simply create tables with different fields, starting from scratch. And of course, you can be creative to customize the interface of your dashboards. And as you can see, when you create tables, you can include different fields like text, numbers, attachments, phone numbers, and a lot more. Now, data can be viewed in various formats, including grid, calendar, Kanban, timeline, list, and Gantt. As you can see, if you wanted to create a UV, you are welcome to do that. It's a very easy thing to do. Just wait for it to load, and you would have a simple data viewed in the Gantt format. You can customize all of the fields that you wanted. And in terms of the collaboration, as you can see on the upper right corner, multiple users can collaborate in real time, making it ideal for teams managing projects, inventories, CRM systems, or content pipeline. You can also just simply invite them here via email or put their names here. Now, in terms of the integration, okay, Airtable integrates well with various apps and third party in real time. Now you can see there are so many apps and services that you can choose from GitHub, Facebook, Google Workspaces, Jira, of course, Hootsuite, Miro, Outlook, Microsoft 365, and of course Slack. All right. They also have the automations wherein it has a powerful API capabilities that allows developers to integrate Airtable with other platforms and custom workflows. But the big question is which one is the best platform for you? Now, Jira offers a free plan that includes basic features, all right? Although they have a generous perks and benefits, you have to realize that you have a certain limitations, and to get some unlimited features and tools here, you need to upgrade to their basic team plan, which is good for building apps to collaborate on shared workflows. That starts at $20 per seat and per month. And if you wanted to scale up, you might want to go for the business and the enterprise scale. But I wanted you to test the waters by using the free plan for now. And if you wanted to scale up, it's easy. Just call the customer service and they'll deal with it. All right. Similarly, Jira offers a free plan for small teams up to 10 users. All right. As you can see, you have all of this: unlimited goals, backlog, reports, and dashboards, up to 10 users. So that's going to be a kind of a make or break deal if you're looking for a project management tools. But the paid plan starts at $7.16 per user per month. And for more users or larger scale projects, the paid plans has the premium, which is $12.48 per month, and the enterprise for customized workflows, reportings, and integrations. But again, I suggest you test the waters by using the free account, and you can scale up any single time you wanted. Now, if you are new to our channel, we have covered Airtable so many times here in our channel, and of course, that includes Jira. So we have a handful of experience using these platforms. Now let me tell you that if your focus is organizing and managing flexible data structures and you need a tool that can adapt to various use cases like CRM, content planning, project tracking, and a simple intuitive interface, it's better for teams needing a customizable data solution rather than a development specific tool, so you go for Airtable. Now, you might want to choose Jira if you are a part of software development team or agile team and need a strong features for project management, bug tracking, and sprint planning. It's built to handle complex technical projects with a focus on agile methodologies and offers deep integration with other development tools. All right? And again, in a nutshell, if your team is more development focused, programming kind of team, Jira might be the better fit. While Airtable works better for teams that needs to manage various types of data and projects. But again, the question is, which type of projects are you primarily managing? That could help refine the choice further. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will see you again in the next one.